Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from India to Canada with Scotiabank. And well, this process is quite simple. We're going to log in here to our Scotiabank account, click on transfer, then select this option that says send money internationally. Here we're going to choose one of these two options. We're going to accept the terms and conditions here. And here we're going to select the contact. Okay? To whom we're going to send the money, and here we'll choose the account we'll use to send the money. We will now click continue, and here, when we proceed to select the desired contact, we will be able to conveniently add one that we have already prepared and have ready, one that we have previously added before, or alternatively, another completely new one that we wish to include. We want to add by clicking here. We click continue, and well, we choose the purpose of the transfer. And here, well, all we have to do is click continue when we see how much the other person will receive, right? Swipe to send. And that's it. We've done it. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.